Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing a demo with using our extensions. These are our three bulk hairs. This is the 4C, and this is the regular Afro Kinky bulk, and then this is the 4A 3C Kinky bulk. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I actually do different twists, three different twists using this bulk hairs. So guys, stay tuned. The first thing we're gonna start with is actually this 4C. So you can see on this mannequin, okay, I'm gonna call her Mara today, okay. We're just gonna do it regular fitting, knotless, okay. So this is it. This I'm gonna separate into two, okay, because I just want this length. I'm not going more than this. So I had the first one. Now just the way you do your fitting braid. Left, okay, left over right. So left over right, left over right, left over right, left over right, left over right. See, this looks exactly like 4C twisted hair. If you have 4C hair, this is how 4B 4C hair actually looks when just twisted, regular twist. So guys, this is the third method. So this method you're gonna be braiding right from the roots with the extension. See, I'm still using the old extensions. This. What I did was just spray leave-in conditioner on this, and then used my white tooth comb. This is a comb I love using. It's really good. So you just gradually comb it out from the ends to the root. So when you do that, you do both sides, comb this side, comb this side, just to be, safe. Let's do the knotless. So now here I'm gonna be twisting right over left. Guys, this is the third one.